And with that mighty song, you are defeated, silly troll person. Nova Jones, you've lost your voice. This is a disaster. You cannot speak or sing.
I know. I have no voice. I cannot speak. My words will not reach the fans, my beloved Nova Lights. Whoa, whoa, I am voiceless. I'm just so sad.
She has them. She has the feels. Did I really say that?
I am now so full of feelings and emotions.
Oh my vlog, this is funny. I'm so bad at acting. So bad.
So bad.
Brilliantly terrible.
Here, am I supposed to be doing something here or what?
I'm super sorry about how I've treated you guys. This was meant to be my masterpiece. I can't act, and the whole universe is seeing this live.
See? Being a double threat is plenty. You're the biggest star in the sky.